In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Slide Master in Microsoft PowerPoint so you can control the design of your entire presentation from one place. This is one of the best PowerPoint features for saving time, keeping your slides consistent, and making your deck look polished and professional. If you've ever wanted to change fonts, colors, backgrounds, or add a logo to every slide at once, Slide Master is exactly what you need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once it's open, go up to the View tab in the top ribbon. This is where PowerPoint keeps different viewing modes and advanced editing tools. In the View tab, look for the Slide Master option and click it. As soon as you open Slide Master, PowerPoint will switch you into a special editing mode where you can change the overall design of your presentation. At the very top, you'll see the main master slide. This is the most important slide in the Slide Master view because any change you make here can affect all of the slides in your presentation. If you want a consistent look across your entire deck, this is where you start. Now let's edit the master slide. You can change the font style to match your brand or presentation theme. You can also adjust the colors, so your headings, body text, and accents all follow the same visual style. If you want a different look behind your slides, you can change the background here as well. And if you have a company or personal logo, this is the perfect place to add it because once it's placed on the master slide, it can appear on every slide automatically. That means you don't have to insert the same logo over and over again on each individual slide. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're building a large presentation for business, school, or training. Now, below the top master slide, you'll see multiple layout slides. These are the different slide layouts that your presentation uses, such as a title slide, a content slide, or a section slide. Each one can be customized separately. For example, you might want your title slide to look more dramatic, while your content slides stay clean and simple, or you may want section slides to have bold colors that help separate different parts of your presentation. To edit a layout, just click on it and make the changes you want. You can adjust text placement, hide elements you don't need, or redesign the layout so it fits your content better. This gives you a lot more control than editing each slide individually. If you want to create something completely custom, PowerPoint also gives you the option to add a new layout. To do that, click Insert Layout. This lets you design your own slide style from scratch. You can build a layout specifically for charts, quotes, image-heavy slides, or anything else your presentation needs. It's a great way to create a reusable template that keeps your slides looking organized and professional. Once you've finished editing the master slide and the layouts, the final step is to close Slide Master View. To do that, simply click Close Master View. PowerPoint will return you to your regular presentation, and all the changes you made in Slide Master will now be applied across the slides that use those layouts. That's the power of Slide Master. Instead of changing every slide one by one, you can update the entire presentation in just a few clicks. It's faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage. So remember, use the top master slide for global changes, use the layouts for specific slide types, and create new layouts when you want something custom. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.